Hi, I'm Eddie O'Broy.
And I'm Stephanie Taylor.
We're so excited about another listing we have here in the Bay Area. Now, Stephanie, most people think the Silicon Valley is probably one of the most expensive places to live in the world, and it is quite expensive. However, there are opportunities out there like this one. Ideal property for a first-time home buyer, attractively priced in a nice gated community. Stephanie, you live in the area and you referred me this client. What do you think?
Eddie, you're absolutely right. It's a beautifully modern condo, a wonderful community. It has 5 swimming pools, tennis courts, jacuzzi, fitness center, and on top of all that, if that wasn't enough, there's 2 balconies with tremendous views of the bay.
This is a must-see. Let's take a tour.
Welcome to 21239 Gary Drive, Unit 206, a beautifully modern in-unit condo situated on the Hayward Castro Valley border in the heart of the highly desirable Mesa Verde community. A very bright, spacious floor plan with 2 private balconies and plenty of windows allowing an abundance of natural light and breathtaking bay views. This condo features an in-unit laundry room with full-size washer and dryer, an impressive-sized ensuite primary bedroom with walk-in closet, and a bonus room that can be used as a 3rd bedroom, office, or den. This community has several swimming pools, tennis courts, and a spacious clubhouse complete with a fitness center, an indoor hot tub, ping pong, and pool tables for your enjoyment. Close to a variety of shopping, grocery stores, and parks with easy access to 880, 580, and 680 freeways. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Thanks for taking the tour.
As you witnessed, it's a great opportunity, and if you have any questions, reach out to us anytime. We'll see you soon.